Hello everyone. Hope everyone is staying safe. I've got iPhone 6s here. No backlight. So let's see if I can fix that one. I didn't even though open this phone. Just gonna have a look now. Customer said there is no backlight. I don't know after screen replacement or after drop. Not really sure. It seems someone opened it. Disconnect battery. So the first thing I always let me check first if there is a backlight problem or image problem because customer always get confused. Let me check if the phone boots up. Phone is booting up. Yeah, I can see Apple logo. Not sure if I can show on camera. Can pick up the Apple logo. So that is a backlight problem. Let's see under the scope. So I'm going to check the diode mode reading if we have an open line or short circuit on backlight lines. 6 to 6 is fine. Got open line. I believe this is an anode line. Let me show you. See, I got open line. So let's check. I know this is a anode line, but I need to show you as well. Let's open ZXW. Just trying to open my ZXW tool. I don't know why it's getting slow. Shouldn't take that long. That's taking ages. That I only hate about this XW. Sometimes it gets stuck. Very, very slow. Don't know why it's not responding properly. Let's open it again. Okay, it's open. So I've got here open line. See, this is a PPLCM backlight anode connection. So that goes through this filter. So I believe this is the filter problem here. Okay, let's go back to scope. I'm gonna check a reading on the other side of the filter. Yeah, I've got reading. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run a micro jumper here. Because I don't have filter at the moment. And even though I'm gonna run the jumper with 0.01 wire, so that shouldn't be any problem. That's a bit too much. Anyway. Wire is here. And that's it. I'm gonna put some mask to cover that. that's it. Time to test. Okay, so we got backlight. So that was just simple repair. I hope you guys will learn something with this one. We are still open for mailing repairs. If you want to send a mailing repair, you are welcome to send it. But we are not taking any walk-in customers at the moment due to this coronavirus. So if you want to send in anything for repair, you are more than welcome to contact us through Facebook. Our page is FONE Hospital, HOSPITAL, or through this YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel as well. We'll see you another time with new video. Take care. Bye bye.